Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this is one of the websites that I use a lot to find out what's going on Shortwave. It's hard-core-dx.com, all lowercase. And this is the logs page. And Glenn puts these logs out almost every day of stations that he has received. So this is the log that was posted today, Saturday, and here's the stations that he's received. He gives the frequency, time that he received it, and some information about it. And you can subscribe to this mailing list right here to get this directly via an email. And I'm just going to go through it very briefly and just kind of show you some of the things that he has heard. I believe he lives in the central part of the United States. So here he's listening to a broadcast from China on 15480. Here's a Cuban. Here's one that's actually in Oklahoma on 341 long wave. Here is WRMI schedule for this coming week. So he's got tons of information, and he puts these out every day. Here's another one. This is from, this is another one for today, another one. Guatemala 4055. North America, I guess this was a pirate station on 6960. Gives a lot of information about the broadcast. Here's a broadcast from Turkey on 5.960. This one was actually received Friday at 23:31 UTC. So you need to really check this webpage frequently, or get on this mailing list, this Hardcore DX mailing list, so you can get this report almost every day, sometimes a couple of times a day. So check it out. This is, let me go back to the top here. This is Glenn Hauser's logs, does them every day. Check them out. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.